Hello everyone and welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating an Azure Storage Account, your essential gateway to the expensive world of cloud storage and data management. In this guide, we will walk you through every step of setting up an Azure Storage Account, ensuring that you have a solid foundation for managing your data in the cloud. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. Alright, moving on, let's first talk about Azure Storage Accounts. An Azure Storage Account is like your storage hub in the cloud. It contains all your Azure Storage data objects, including blobs, files, queues, and tables. It will provide you a unique namespace for your Azure Storage data that's accessible from anywhere in the world over HTTP or HTTPS. Data in your storage account is durable and highly available, secure, and massively scalable. Now, before proceeding to the lab, we must know its objective and why we need storage accounts for our business or any organization. The objective of creating an Azure Storage Account is to store and manage blobs, files, queues, and tables. It provides a secure, globally accessible namespace with high durability, availability, and massive scalability for diverse data storage needs. Alright, now let's consider a scenario to perform this lab. There is an e-commerce company who is strengthening its online presence and needs a secure solution for storing and managing customer data, product images, and transaction logs for its web application. Now, to address these requirements, the company decides to create an Azure Storage Account. This solution offers a scalable and secure method for storing and accessing critical business data, centralizing data management, and enabling seamless integration with the web application, while also supporting future expansion. So, these are the requirements of the company for expanding its online products. The company aims to establish a storage account on Azure that can efficiently handle various types of data, ensuring a scalable and secure solution that facilitates seamless integration with its web application and supports future growth initiatives. You can take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab. Are you ready to explore further? Join our exclusive demo to learn about storage management for an e-commerce company. Discover how to seamlessly integrate Azure Storage Account with your existing on-premises environment. Gain an in-depth knowledge and practical insights by visiting our website.